Alrighty. We're solving for y. That's putting it in y form. Get rid of the 3x by subtracting 3x from each side since it's adding. Combine the like terms. I need to get this y by itself. So since it's 5 times y, the opposite would be divide. 5 divided by 5 is 1y. 2 over 5. 20 over 5. And then where's it across the y-axis? At 0, 4. And we're just checking to see if this point's on the line. Well, if you plug in the x and the y, x and the y, if it comes out true, then it's on the line. Plug in the x and the y, it came out to be true. Let's see. 2x minus 1 times 2x minus 1. So I made a little generic rectangle and multiply it out. Find the area of each little piece. Area of a rectangle is base times height. 2x times 2x excuse me, is 4x squared. 2x times negative 1 is negative 2x. Negative 2x. Positive 1. Combine like terms. And there it is. Same thing here. Generic rectangle. Find the area of each one. When you combine like terms, it's x. Same idea here. X times x squared is, oops, I wrote squared. It's cubed. And then 2x. 2 times 1 is 2. 2x times negative 2x is negative 4x squared. 2x times 5 is 10x. And 1 times that guy, 1 times that guy, 1 times that guy. Combine the like terms, and there it is. Flipping it. I have two ratios that are equal. That's a proportion. You can use cross multiplication. I like to call it butterfly because it looks like a butterfly. Watch distributing that negative until that became positive and that one became positive. Add 9x to both sides. Subtract 6 from both sides. And that's how you got 9. Cross multiply again. And there's the 20. Substitute. Combine like terms. And that's how you get the negative 2 for the x. Plug in negative 2 and solve, and you'll get your 3. So I plugged in negative 2 there, and then you add 2 to both sides, and you get x. Oh, plugged in for the wrong spot. X right here, and then you end up being the same. Plug in for the x, distribute. That's how it became positive. Combine like terms. Subtract 10 from both sides. There's your y is equal to 4. Plug your y back in. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8 minus 5, negative 13. Let's see. Total amount of animals is 84, so I just take the sheep and the turkeys. Sheep and turkeys, add them together, and that's 84. Sheep have 4 legs. Turkeys have 2 legs. I multiply by negative 2 on this equation so I can cancel out my t's. And then it's solved. Last problems. I multiplied the whole top by a negative 1. Just changes the signs of each one. When I added them together, my 8y canceled out. Don't forget to plug it back in. Find your y. This one's a little more difficult. I decided to cancel out my x's. Multiply by 4. Multiply this one by 6. And I got a negative 24 and a positive 24. Those add together to be 0. So that's eliminated. Combine that like terms. Combine these like terms. Don't forget to plug it back in and find your x.